All right, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I just wanted to kind of do a little shop update. Kind of want to explain a couple of the projects going on. I'm really going to try to get my truck in here. I know we haven't done a single video on it. We probably should. It's one of the coolest things we got around here, and we really have never talked about it, never put it on the channel. So yeah, I probably will do a full video on that one of these days. I need to get on it. I need to get some things cleaned up. I did break my shifter linkage the other day, but I do have the winter shifter, so I'm probably going to be building a center console, putting that in there, some cup holders, maybe moving my switches up, getting a little more in reach. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get on that. So yeah, it's pretty crowded back here. We got a lot going on right now. Got the Duramax back here. So we do have a new, I think he said 2020 Honda Talon. We are going to be doing a rear bed extender. He wanted it clamp on, so I'm going to be clamping it on, bringing it out and around and back over. It's going to swing open, and it's going to hold a vertical spare tire. So the clamps and stuff should be here tomorrow, so I'll be able to start this tomorrow. Probably could do a separate video on that one as well. Should be pretty cool. It is our first Talon that we've had, so figure might as well throw it on the channel. So turn the fan down here. Might be blowing the mic. So here we are. Here is the 4Runner build. We have a couple videos on this. We do have the cage currently going in. I do have a video in the middle of doing this. Show you everything in here. So got a little bit of the floor. Got majority of the main bars done. Everything's hooked up. Everything's fully welded. I did drop it through the floor. Everything's good to go. So all that right now is 100% done. We are getting, it's pretty new to us here in Arizona. It's pretty annoying. Surface rust. It's been monsoon here. It's been raining a lot, like a lot. Not to mention the swamp cooler there. I don't know, everything's rusting up pretty quick, and it's kind of crappy because we're constantly prepping it to keep it clean and keep it going. So but yeah, the 4Runner build is coming along. I need to put in some more hours on that later today, so probably put a couple more bars in there today. But one of the main builds we have going right now is 95 Nissan Pathfinder. I got all the suspension stripped off. I still have to get the rack and pinion off and cut majority of that cross member out and redo it to create clearance for the solid axle swap. I do have the frame. It's more of a unibody, kind of like a Cherokee. I have the frame unibody all cleaned up to raw metal. I did trace out some templates, dropped them off at the CNC guy. He has them all done, as well as it is a strut, so I have some little plates and tabs that I'm gonna have for air shocks that can bolt in there. That way we don't have to go and do a full engine cage. But I probably will do a crossbar just to make sure to tie it all together, but it's already built to hold the full weight of the vehicle and all that on there, so we're gonna go ahead and just run with it. So that's that. We do have 2001 Cummins Dana 60 axles. I just got this truss on here from Artec. Got it on there, got it all welded on. Got the axle fully cleaned up, fully prepped. This axle used to be nasty, like it used to be. You can kind of see the axles here. It was real nasty, thick, caked on rust. There's a little bit in there. You can kind of see it was like super flaky like that. But yeah, check that out. So that's nice, ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna get that off the table later today. I'm gonna set it under the Pathfinder over here, get it on jack stands, get it lined up, measure it up, make sure it's in the proper place. He is bringing the new wheels and tires later today. I'm thinking I'm gonna pull this axle 3 inches forward just to create some clearance for the firewall, so when we're at full bump, we can still get some turning radius and stuff out of it. Excuse me. So we're gonna probably trim the fenders. We're gonna follow the old fender flare line, and we're probably just gonna bring this out towards the headlight and take this whole corner off, just to kind of center it over the wheel once we pull it forward a little bit. So, but yeah, that's coming along great. I'll show you the rear axle real quick, give you a real good idea on how nasty that thing was. You can see it was pretty clean. So here is the rear axle. You just see the rust, like it's gnarly. I think this actually looks a lot better than the front did. I think the front catches a lot more salt and everything, but also had a lot of bracketry on there I had to cut off. So, but yeah, this one's gonna be next. We're gonna order the same truss kit, but for a rear axle from Artec. Their truss are very nice. So nice, thick, heavy duty. Does need a little bit of modifications to fit properly, but all in all, it went in really well. So that's probably about it, what we have going on for the shop. We do supposed to be having a 4-seater sandrail chassis coming in. It's going to be like a desert sport, like a dual sport car. Boxed upper and lower A-arms. We're going to do full, like really good suspension on it. So he's already got the shocks, he's got everything. We're going to have to remodify the bulkhead. He said everything on there is kind of bent. I don't really know the history of it, but that's supposed to be getting dropped off Friday. So yeah, we're gonna have some cool videos coming in. Just wanted to get some feedback. Just wanted to know what you guys want to see more of, what I can do differently, if there's any editing tricks that you want to run past me. Maybe I can make the videos a little bit better. I know I'm still pretty new at all this, but anything helps. Anything's better than nothing. So, but we're gonna keep the work going. We're gonna keep everything moving. But yeah, I think that's gonna be about it. So check it out. So that's gonna be a wrap. So thanks again for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell your buddies. We're trying to grow the channel. So we did hit 300 subscribers, so that's pretty exciting. I know the beginning's the hardest, but we're growing. I mean, we're getting I think a subscriber a day on average. Sometimes we'll get a couple, sometimes we don't get one, but I mean, it's growing, it's happening. So I'm gonna try to push some more content. I'm gonna try to put in some more hours, and I'm just gonna try to really hit it hard here for a while. The weather's getting a little bit nicer. I can spend more time out here in the shop, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna hit it hard. I think we might be looking to hire another guy, try to speed up some more content, try to get some more things going through here quicker. We're getting pretty quick, we're getting pretty busy. So that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Thanks again for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. Peace out.